If you have a ceramic coating on your vehicle, I want to show you how to properly maintain it so you can get the best performance and longevity out of your investment. That's coming up next on our last installment of our ceramic coating series.
Jason's Detail Tips.
Having a ceramic coating on your vehicle makes the washing process so much easier. But if you don't wash the car properly, you're going to end up putting scratches, swirls, love marks into the paint that you just paid a lot of money to have removed. Do not take your car to a wash with brushes. Many gas stations and dealerships will have old automatic car washes with long bristle brushes that clean really well, but they'll wreak havoc on your vehicle's paint. Generally speaking, I would not bring my own car through any type of tunnel wash, but if I had to, I would use a wash with a soft cloth system that uses plenty of lubrication. A better choice if you don't have time to do it yourself or bring it to a hand wash is to use an in-bay touchless wash. The lack of any friction usually affects the cleaning process, but your ceramic coated car shouldn't need much. At worst, if it's not set up properly for the conditions, you may end up with some oily road film, but if you're looking for something quick to get you through to your next hand wash, this is going to be your best option. The best option is going to wash it yourself or bring it to a reputable hand wash. But fair warning, I have seen more damage come from an improper hand wash than some tunnel washes. So if you're gonna wash it yourself or you're gonna have somebody else do it, you should make sure they know exactly what they're doing. I will link one of my videos below that'll give you some tips and proper hand wash techniques. Most ceramic coatings will have their own line of maintenance products that you should be using. Your installer should go over these maintenance products with you and how often you should be using them if you're going to be washing the car yourself. Caring for a coated car is pretty simple. Mostly you're going to want to wash it every week or every other week depending on how often it gets dirty. If there's anything on the paint surface and someone touches your car, they're going to be grinding these contaminants into the paint, leaving very fine scratches. Keeping the surface clean will help avoid any damage. Don't let anybody lean on your car, even if they're wearing a bikini. Use the maintenance products per the manufacturer's instructions. Usually it's just a maintenance spray that you're going to spray once a month or every time you wash it. Once a year, we are going to recommend doing a coating maintenance detail. Sticky particles like sap or tar can embed themselves into the coating. This breaks the surface tension of the water and it looks like the beading properties are diminished. We will start by washing and decontaminating the car to remove any tar, sap, or metal particles. We'll do a light polish if necessary, and then we'll add the maintenance product to the top of the protection. Don't let anybody compound or perform paint correction on the vehicle unless you plan on reapplying the coating. Any type of aggressive machine polishing will remove the coating. And finally, you can wax it or you can put a paint sealant on the vehicle, but I don't recommend it because there's no reason for it. The coating is your replacement for the wax or the sealant. You should spend some more time watching my YouTube videos. Thanks for watching this series on ceramic coatings. If you have any questions or would like some more information on coatings on your vehicle, please contact us by going to our website and filling out the Contact Us form at chicagoautopros.com. We'll see you next time.